Namaskar friends, welcome to KBG YouTube channel. In our last video, we had learned what is DSO. In this video, we will know what is NEO. NEO is again an acronym for Near Earth Objects. These are solar system objects which, while orbiting around the sun, come very close to Earth. Technically, any object which comes close to sun at a distance less than 1.3 astronomical unit is called near Earth object. As you already know, 1 astronomical unit is the average Earth-Sun distance. Another unit which is used for measuring distance is Lunar Distance LD. 1 LD is equal to 384,399 kilometers and is equivalent to 0.00257 astronomical units. Near Earth objects include asteroids, meteoroids and some comets. First, let us learn the difference between asteroid, meteoroid, meteor and meteorite. Asteroid is a large rocky object which is orbiting the sun. Meteoroid is small asteroid or small particles which again are orbiting around the sun. Meteor, when an asteroid or a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and burns, it is called meteor. It is also called shooting star. Meteorite is an object which lands on Earth even after burning as it enters the Earth atmosphere. Study of NEO is very important as some of the objects pose potential hazard to the Earth. These are called potentially hazardous objects. It is a well-known fact that collisions of NEO on the Earth have had changes in ecology and biology of Earth. Let us know some of the major catastrophes from recent past. On 30th January 1908, a meteor airburst above Tunguska River in Russia. The blast was equivalent to 12 megaton explosion. It destroyed over 80 million trees in an area of 2150 square kilometers. 1963 witnessed meteor burst above Prince Edward's Island, located between South Africa and Antarctica. It was equivalent to 1.1 megaton explosion. On 7th October 2008, an asteroid TC3 burst above Nubian Desert. On 15th February 2013, a 20-meter asteroid burst above Chelyabinsk, Russia. It was equivalent to 400 to 500 kiloton explosion. On 2nd January 2014, an asteroid 2014 AA blew over Atlantic Ocean. Large asteroids can penetrate through Earth's atmosphere and impact continent to create large craters. If they impact oceans, it can create tsunami. As shown here, there exists dense belt of asteroids in between Mars and Jupiter. But apart from these, asteroids are present between orbits of other planets also, and some of these asteroids pose serious threat to the Earth because their orbit brings them near the Earth. In recent times, the awareness about potential danger of collision has increased. In 1998, United States, European Union and other nations have started a mission called Space Guard. Under this, they keep tracking of all the NEOs day and night. NASA has established a separate center for near-Earth object studies. As of November 2021, there are 27,323 known near-Earth asteroids. Out of these, 2,224 are big enough and also come very close to Earth. Here is a list of NEOs which are potentially hazardous. Asteroid 2001 WNS, which will come near Earth in 2028, is 600 to 1400 meters big, whereas in 2095 a NEO will come near as 0.1 LD near the Earth, which is very close and dangerous. To avoid such dangerous encounters, NASA has started a mission called Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART. In this mission, a spacecraft of the size of a car will be launched at the asteroid or NEO to change its course away from Earth. Let's hope we are able to protect our Earth from these potentially hazardous objects. Please subscribe the channel if you like this video and hit bell icon so that you will get notifications. Thank you.